Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm putting together a Happy Mail package for my friend Jana, and this is a pocket letter that I created with her. The first thing that I did was to put some sequins, beads, and little sparkly bits in here. I sealed it off with my We Are Memory Keepers fuse tool. I made a pocket with one of the papers and just put this card chipboard sticker there. Then I did a pocket here, better bundle up. I put a strip underneath and I put these two layers on top. Let it snow with the enamel dots. This is another chipboard piece on top of this little skier. This is my favorite one. I love this ivory bow on this pink cozy snowman and that gold paper in behind. I put one of the holiday celebration stickers in this little ruffle, warm and cozy, and then this cute one here. And I lined it all with the washi tape from this snowflake collection. I've gifted her inside this little shaker mason jar, a wood Christmas tree, some ephemera, some sparkly stars, and these little tags, the matching washi, and another little tag there. So I'm just going to put that together with one of my binder clips that I always use to hold things together. And then I'll show you the other things I created. So here is the lid. Stay cozy. So I took a doily and one of the papers from the 6x8 paper pad, and then I ripped up some different pieces of cardstock. I put in this line of tulle with the gold polka dots. I popped this girl up on the top with some foam tape underneath these two chipboard pieces, and I used this little love heart from Amy Tangerine, and I topped it on top of one of the Thickers ephemera. So this is the FabFitFun box that I'm repurposing. I love using their boxes because they're always so colorful and a really good size to be able to work with. So in the paper pad, in the small 6x8 paper pad, come these pieces of paper, and they have the fun sayings on them, and I wanted to utilize those for what they were. I just stitched around the edge of two of those papers to create a pocket, and I put a gift inside here for her, some fun puffy stickers, and then I sealed it off with some washi tape, and I put some of the clear stickers from that collection in there as well. I made a little gift for her. This is a packet of coffee inside here, like a little cappuccino, and I topped it with this bird. So much fun with these little stickers. I made her one of these little pocket folios that I can link a video here showing you my tutorial from last year on how I made these. Serena B was the inspiration behind these little folios, and I was able to gift her all sorts of ephemera and goodies and things inside the pockets here. It's a really cute way to send a little gift to your pen pal. So I'm just going to tie that up with the ribbon here that holds it all in place and add it to the package as well. I probably should actually create the or I should start adding some of the bigger pieces first, because I think it's going to be kind of tricky to fit all of this stuff together. So I'll go through everything and show you what I've got, and then we'll see if we can figure out this puzzle of fitting everything into the box here. This is a glass ornament that I've wrapped up here with a pretty bow, and that's to help protect it because it's pretty fragile. So I made her this pocket, and inside this pocket I've got all sorts of gifts that I've actually just topped off. So I've got some Jolie's Boutique silk flowers, and I've topped it off with some layered circles, hearts, this cute little gingerbread that matches the same sort of coppery gold look that we've got going on here. And I've also gifted her some of these fun lacy flowers with a pearl in the middle, and I've decorated the top up of that. I've gifted her a Lawn Fawn Merry Christmas die cut, and here's the top. I've layered washi, some of the thickers, and stickers to go in there. Here's a gift from October Afternoon. Make It a Merry little flyers, where you can create these little flags on toothpicks, that like these little wooden type toothpicks that come in the back. Here's my topping for this thicker pack that I'm sending her, and it is from Chamel, and they're blue sparkly stickers. You can never have enough word stickers. And then here's some more Christmas stickers that I'm gifting her, and I've just topped it off with all this layered paper, and it's got a chipboard car and then the word joy. So those all go into this tiered layer of this pocket that I've created for her. Now I've wrapped up a gift here for her. This one is a gift of for baking. It's like a mold that you could make like chocolate wreaths or something in. So that is all wrapped up and tied with some ribbon, and I've adhered this on top. Also in here is a fun little gift in one of my 31 bags that I've ordered in specially just for gift giving. It's got these cute little llamas on it, and it is a gift set for her daughter. My daughter's written her a letter. They've become pen pals. Inside this gift here, there is an advent calendar, and I've topped it with this little fun bell and a card to say who it's to and from. And then lastly, there's this fun pom-pom pack that I'm gifting her, and I went in on one of the chipboard stickers. I put one of the clear stickers over top, and then the word love for winter, and the cute houses in the background there. So we're gonna put all of this stuff in a box here. I think I'm gonna start with the gift for her daughter, and I'm going to have it, this is going to be one of the larger things to fit in, and another large thing to fit in will be this ornament that I'd like to protect. So this can tuck in over here, this little gift can tuck in there, and this little gift can tuck in there also. And I'll put this here. And we'll put that like that. This can go on the top. And slide the pocket letter in like so. I just need to add my shred, keep everything moving around. And to make it look sort of fun and pretty. I'm really nervous about this ornament. So let's stick some thread right underneath that so that it's protecting. There. Okay, that's good. Oh, got this on here too. We'll stick that on the top. And put it this way. Well, I don't want to put that there actually. Like this. I've got these little gifts that I was thinking it would be fun to like leave some little packages so that when she opens it up, got these little presents peeking out. Put one in there, in that corner there. And one in that little corner there. There, so that's just some fun little packaging. Okay, and let's sprinkle in, just for some sound, these little sparkly bits. And then, as always, I have some polka dots. And then I'm just going to fill out my card for her and put that on the top. So that is the finished product, and I'll send that on its way in my little FabFitFun box. Here's what the box looks like from the outside. So I'm trying to remember which season this one was. Might have been the summer box, but regardless, I love the colors, and this is going to be hidden by the packaging label, so it'll look really fun and cute when it shows up at her door, even though it's not winter exactly with all these flowers and palm leaves. The colors actually say winter to me. So I thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, I'd love to have you as part of this crafty community. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, and yeah, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.